Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Petra. So today I have little Chaturanga Dandasana tutorial for you. So I would like to show you different options and variations you have when your yoga teacher tell you, hey, let's flow Chaturanga Dandasana. You can choose any variation, or we say, let's flow your vinyasa, any kind. So you know options you have. So, and also if you'd like to start practicing with me, so you know what I mean when I say, let's flow vinyasa. So first variation, let me show you the first variation. So it's used mostly in Hatha Yoga, and I would say it's the easiest variation of Chaturanga. So beginning on your hands and knees, lowering your chest and chin to the mat. So to bend your elbows straight back and dropping your chest and then chin. And then kind of sliding forward, releasing your belly and lifting into Cobra. So in your Cobra, be mindful of your lower back. So it doesn't matter how high you can lift in your Cobra. So pressing the tops of your feet firmly to the mat and lifting into either baby Cobra or a little bit higher. So drawing your shoulder blades down and together your back and squeezing or hugging your elbows towards the side body. And also try to maintain the nice long neck, so slightly tucking your chin under. And then with your breath out, releasing and returning back into your hands and knees. And maybe you can add on into your down dog from here. Another variation. So beginning in a plank position. So from your plank, so aligning the shoulders over your wrist. And then you can carefully drop your knees, chest and chin. Breathing in into Cobra again. And releasing. Tucking your toes, pressing back onto your hands and knees, and back into downward facing dog. So the next variation is when your yoga teacher tell you full chaturanga, so you know what it means. So we say, let's flow a full chaturanga or Chaturanga Dandasana, right? So it means that you start in a plank position. And then it's really important from your plank, as you breathe in, shifting your weight forward into your tippy toes, bending your elbows. So this is Chaturanga or low push-up. Flip your feet, push into your hands, stacking the joints, your shoulders over your wrists, lifting your knees and thighs, so in your up dog. So looking forward and rolling onto your toes and returning back into downward facing dog, right? The next variation, if you are tired with your basic chaturanga, if you'd like to spice it up a little bit, your practice, you can try one-legged plank and one-legged down dog. So let me first show you from plank into one-legged plank and chaturanga. So the beginning in a plank, lifting your right leg at your hip level, engaging through your glutes. And then again, shifting the weight forward, bend into chaturanga, one-legged chaturanga. One foot, the other, opening, breathing in, and exhaling. And again, in your down dog. The next option is from your down dog. You lift your right leg up into three-legged down dog and shifting the weight forward. Keep your core engaged, bending into your chaturanga. Drop your right foot and tuck your left. Inhale, up dog. Exhale, down dog. All right, so those are the variations. And let me quickly show you why it is so important to shift the weight forward into your toes. Because in yoga, we want to keep our joints safe, right? So stacking the joints, knee over ankle, shoulder over wrist, right? You know what I mean. So let me show you So if I don't do it, what happens, how it looks. So from my plank, I'm not gonna shift my weight forward, so I'm staying in a plank. And then when I bend my elbows, see what happens? My elbows are not above wrists, right? So, okay. So let me show you again. So plank position, shifting the weight forward. And then when you bend your elbows, you see? Elbows over the wrist. And it's also really important to keep your shoulders either in line with the elbows or a little bit above, never dropping your shoulders down. Lowering down, I cannot talk. Inhale, up dog. Exhale, down dog. All right, guys, so see, there you have it. So now when your yoga teacher tell you, hey, let's flow your vinyasa, let's flow your chaturanga, any variation. So you can choose variation your body likes most, and you can alternate, you can switch to make the practice fit to your needs, to your body. So sometimes my students who want to add on a little bit like more workout, when I say let's flow your vinyasa, they add push-ups, right? Why not? Let me show you. So from plank, I say, hey, let's flow chaturanga and we will meet in down dog. So what they do is like they add push-up, either full push-up, or you can do on your knees, half push-up. So they do push-ups, and then when I'm done, when they have enough, they shift the weight forward into chaturanga. You can drop your knees first, inhaling up dog or cobra, exhaling down dog. All right, there you have it. I hope this was helpful. Please let me know if you have any questions, and I would love to hear what kind of variation, what kind of chaturanga you like most.